Guys, I don't know if I mentioned, but I want to make groundnut soup, and my sister will be going to the market shortly to get the few things I'll be needing to make groundnut soup. Hold on, let me even switch to my back camera and see if it's fine now. For the soup, and I'll show you guys when it comes. It's going to be my first time of making the soup. When I posted about it on my WhatsApp status, a lot of people commented that it's a very nice soup. Most of them even went as far as saying it's a soup that they can eat every day without getting tired of. That means it's really nice. So I just hope my taste bud will align with me, and when I make this soup, I'll enjoy it. Definitely, I'll take you guys through the process as always. We are going to cook it together for the first time, and we're going to eat it together for the first time. Maybe not all of you. Maybe it's not going to be the first time for most of you, but for me and some other persons on the channel, yeah. So that's the plan we have. Also, I think after cooking the soup tomorrow, I'll be going to the market to source for purple shirts or t-shirts or round neck. I don't know about purple shirt for Yomi, because that's what you'll be using to graduate from school. I hear that's what all of them are wearing in this class. I don't know why purple, but I don't have a choice. I've already brought out another outfit in case I cannot find purple. He would wear what he has. I beg. They would have made it available in school so we can purchase, but it is what it is. I just hope when I get to market tomorrow, I'll find it, and if not, I'll wear him what we have at home. I'm so tired. I want to sleep now. I just finished eating rice and stew, and I'm so tired, I promise. Bye. Guys, it's my first time eating groundnut soup, but I don't know how I feel about the taste. I think it's okay, but I'm not sure there's anything spectacular about it. I am not sure I can feed on this for the rest of my life, just like how some person said. The next one I'll try is egg soup. I've eaten egg soup before. That one is nice. It's still like a goosey too. Let me just enjoy this food, okay? Subscribe, like, share, comment, come and chop.
Contact with an infected person's feces. Symptoms include diarrhea, vomiting, and dehydration. Together, we can fight this